one, we're going to find the first and second derivatives of each of these functions. And we have 4 examples. So for the first one, this is number 1. To do the first derivative, you get f prime of x is going to equal 4x cubed minus 9x squared plus 16. The second derivative is f double prime of x, and that's just going to equal 12x squared minus 18x. All right, the next one, these darn square root ones. All right, let's write this as g of r equals r to the 1/2 plus r to the 1/3. So when we take our first derivative, is this r? Not t, it's r. All right, we're just going to write it all out. So this is going to be 1/2 r to the negative 1/2 plus 1/3 r to the negative 2/3. Because remember, you're always subtracting 1 here once you multiply. So we're subtracting 2 divided by 2. This one we're subtracting 3 divided by 3. Because those both equal 1. All right, that's your first derivative. So your second derivative is g double prime, and that's just going to give you negative 1/4 r to negative 3/2 minus 2/9 r to negative 5/3. And you could just leave it like that since we're just doing double derivatives. All right, the next one is this one. So we take the first derivative, g prime of t, and that's going to give you the derivative of cosine is negative sine, so you get negative 2 sine of t minus, and the derivative of sine of t is going to be minus 3 cosine of t. All right, the second derivative is g double prime of t, and that's just going to be the derivative of sine is cosine, so we're just going to write negative 2 cosine of t, and derivative of cosine is negative sine, so 2 negatives are going to make a positive 3 sine of t. And for the last one, we have h of t, so let's do this color. H prime of t, if you want, you can rewrite this as h of t equals t to the 1/2 power plus 5 sine of t. So we're going to get this equals 1/2 t to the negative 1/2 plus, and the derivative of sine is cosine, so that's 5 cosine of, cosine of t. Make that an s. All right, h double prime of t, so we just do it again. That's going to be negative 1/4 t to the negative 3/2, and the derivative of cosine of t is negative sine. So that changes that sign to negative 5 sine of t. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.